Okay, so I'm just going to talk you through replacing your Bosch front windscreen wipers on a Mlk7 2015 Volkswagen Golf. So here we have the two OEM replacement products. The Bosch Aero Twin part number AP26U, which is the bigger 26-inch wiper, that one there, followed by the smaller wiper, which is this guy here. That's the Bosch Aero Twin 18-inch AP18U. So when you take it out, they're kind of universal. They'll do a few different cars. You have the adapter 1, adapter 2, adapter 3, adapter 4. So if you take a look at this one, it's the square type fitting, so it's adapter 4 you need. Okay, so now I'm just going to put adapter number 4. As you'll see here, the square guy, just to replace like with like. Just going to pop it onto the wiper here, the bigger one. Here, click into place. And I'm going to press this latch and hold down, slide out the old one, slide in the new one, clicks into place. That's it, replaced, done. And now do the same for the smaller one.